Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm in the garage. I got the C5 right here. We're actually gonna be working on the ZL1 today. I'm gonna be doing a really quick, simple video on how to change out the fluid in the differential. Stick around. We're obviously gonna get under the car. I have it securely jacked up. All right, so step one, real simple. You're gonna see this drain plug right here, and you're gonna see this fill plug right there. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put a oil catch can or something like that, or a reservoir to catch all the fluid that dumps out. And you're just gonna do this one and that one, and just let it drain. All right, guys, so after you undo your plugs, both the top and the bottom, so that the airflow allows it to drain nicely, you're gonna wanna let it drain, let it take its time. I wanna make sure and try to get as much as I can out of there, but you're never gonna get rid of everything. So once you're ready to fill up, you're gonna wanna use this. This is AC Delco LS gear oil. It's 75 weight -90, and this is the one that has the limited slip friction modifier. So everybody has their preference on what they want to use. That's fine, use what you want. This is what I recommend. These are 20 bucks a bottle typically, or 25 bucks at the dealership. I got them for 17 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And then when you want to fill up, you just have one of these pumps. These are like $7.99 or something off of Amazon. And what you're going to want to do is, first step is you're going to plug the bottom drain, and then you're going to fill it up from the top, obviously, and you're definitely gonna use 2 quarts of those. So you're gonna use 2 containers, and then the last one will probably require anywhere between 2 and 8 pumps, typically. So the way to know that this is filled is really simple. Once it starts coming out the top, you're good. All right, so by this point you are 2 bottles in. Again, there's gonna be a little bit left over. So now we're gonna dump the little bit that's left over here onto the 3rd bottle and then fill it up. All right, and this is the last bottle. Put it in there, start pumping. Alright, guys, so really simple. After you tighten up both drain plugs, you're gonna be good to go. I hope this helped some of you out. If it did, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.